This is part F2. So what we're doing is we are going to be using the pH meter. This is actually the type of meter that you would use in a lab. I used to work in a lab and actually use this type of pH meter. And we're going to be using the same solutions that we just measured the pH with the pH paper with that are very basic solutions. We're going to be using those same solutions to measure with the pH meter. This is exactly the same as the probe that we used previously. That is, you pull the probe out of the solution, rinse it off, wipe it down, and then you're going to stick it into the solution. In this case, it's ivory liquid. So again, I'm going to be holding it up, and I'm going to press read. And then you wait like a minute or so until it sort of settles down and stops changing in a big way. And the pH is about 8.3. And then again, I'm going to take the probe out, rinse it off, wipe it down, and move to the next sample.